Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit a couple more photos that I did today with Jessica. We did a Zoom video shoot and I have about 47 photos to edit, so let's get started and then do it pretty quick. I'm gonna edit the tone a little bit and then the sharpening. This one was I was using the U3 filter. I chose the U3 filter, and then we have a nice direct sunlight in the afternoon, and it's good timing that we have that at that time from the window. So I'm gonna rotate a little bit and then do an Instagram 4:5 crop in here and then save it, and then I'm gonna do the HSL, slightly make sure the less blue in the background because it's a sunlight tone. We can make it warmer tone in here and then save it. So once this is done, I'm gonna copy the edit and then paste it to the next couple ones because they are in the same location. So once I save it and then edit it, I can do some minor adjustment, like such as cropping, and I'm rotating a little bit, so each photo might take about less than 1 minute to edit. So because we have 47 photos, if it's half a minute per photo, it will take about 20 minutes. So let's make it a little bit quicker, maybe 1 minute 3 photos. So let's edit this one. I like the direct look to the camera of this one as well. So let me increase the exposure a little bit, just slightly, maybe minus 0.3, and then 4:5 crop, Instagram 4:5 crop in here. And I like the subtle lighting in here. So that's the before and after, and we are using a Zoom video iPhone. So from her iPhone, she's using a tripod, and then we frame the portrait, help frame the portrait, and then we use the counter timer 10 seconds to edit. If you have a remote, it will be easier for the remote also. So that's a tips if you want to do a Zoom video shoot. So if you have a remote, it will be faster, but if not, you can just use a timer. It's pretty convenient also. So let me slightly adjust the rotation in this one. So that's before and after. So let me increase the 2.4, save it, save as. So next one, same thing. I'm gonna crop it and then rotate it. So that's it, and then save it. Those two might be similar. I will check it out later, but let me increase the contrast a bit more, and let's see what else we can play around. So this one might be too, I think I will just leave it on this one, the U3, because it's nice warm tone in here. So let me save it, and the next couple one I'm gonna paste it to the next one. Okay, so the next couple one, slightly rotate this one, 4:5 crop. That's before and after, maybe too tight on the top heading. Okay, I like the feel on this one. So the light and feel is very nice in this one. I like the feel, so let me save it. And then next one, also slightly change up, more leaning toward the window, and then let me slightly crop it down a little bit and make sure the lines are nicely aligned in the back. And the HSL, I can reduce the even more for the blue. So, and let's see, slightly like that, and then that's good. And then let me save it, this one. I like the lighting in that, and let me copy the next light to this one, paste it here, and then reduce the lighting, maybe minus 0.9, slightly rotate down. Okay, so this is good. And next one, this one is more toward the window so that it has a soft light on the face. And this is a before and after. So let me save it. Okay, so next one, this one's more look toward the window. I'm gonna give more contrast, and then the 4:5 crop in here. Yep, so it's about 10 seconds for that one. So we will catch up, maybe we can finish it within 20 minutes. So let me do a crop in here. Slightly add in more contrast and then highlight save in this one. Save it. Okay, so next one is direct sunlight. Let's choose a tone for the direct sunlight. For this, VSCO has these pre-selected ones. Actually, this J1 is cool. Let me see how it looks for this one. It has a green tint behind it. So let me edit this one with this green tint, and then we can choose some other things. So let me save it. And I'm gonna choose a U3 for this one and reduce the lighting a little bit, highlight save and sharpness, and then HSL slightly. So I like this warmer tone better, so it's more toward the sunlight tone, and then it still contains a little bit of the blue in the background. So let me save this in. Yeah, I think I like the second one better. So let me paste the edit toward the next couple ones so we can make it faster. Okay, so let's see, do it one by one for the crop, and we can reduce the contrast and then increase a little bit more light. 4:5 crop, make sure more headroom on top, and then increase the contrast a little bit. Okay, so next one, so I'm gonna apply this one to the next 4, paste it, and each photo is about less than 1 minute to edit. Let me increase a little bit more. I think it's about 20 seconds right now, so I think we can be within 15 minutes before we finish all of this. So let's see. So I like this one also. Let me increase the light a little bit and the highlight save, and then 4:5 crop a lot more toward the top, leave more headroom toward the top as well. So let me save it, save this one, and then next one, looking slightly up, chin up a little bit so that a more even light on the face, and then 4:5 crop in here, and the edge also I'm gonna crop that edge a little bit. Yep, so like that, and then save it. So let's see the next one. I'm gonna reduce to be more moodier, reduce the exposure, and then 4:5 crop the edge on the white TV in the back, and then leave more headroom. Okay, so that's good. I like this one, the nice subtle lights on the face. And then let me save it, save this one, and let me copy this one and then see how this one goes. Let me paste this one. Slightly increase more lighting in here and then slightly rotate. Okay, so save this one also. And then next one, I like the lighting slightly chin up toward the sunlight, create a shadow using the hand and increase the contrast a bit more. And let me check the white balance. Yeah, we can leave the white balance a little bit, maybe -1, a little bit blue tone in the back. So slightly rotate, increase 4:5, and then save it. Save. Okay, so we just passed 10 minutes. Say let's quickly edit the rest of them. Once this one, so each one you see is depends on the lighting. So we'll keep it under 20 minutes. And then 4:5 crop in here and then save it. Yep, and then the next one, do a 4:5 crop, slightly rotate to the left and then leave more headroom. So for Instagram feed consistency, to have some spacing between the top row and the bottom row. And then the next one, so let me slightly increase this one. I think this one is good. And then let me say 4:5. Yep, 4:5 update. Okay, so we have the second set to go. Let me edit this one using U3 and then highlight, save, and then increase the sharpness, slightly update here, and then the HSL reduce the blue saturation, and then 4:5 crop slightly more toward the center. Okay, so this is good. I might increase the light a little bit more, back to here, and then save it. So I'm gonna copy just for purpose of this, and then I'll copy these couple ones. So this one is good, and I'm just do a quick look on this and then export them. So slightly crop it down so that it is 4:5 with enough headroom ratio. I'm gonna save this one also, save this one, and then the next one slightly crop it closer so that make sure that the eyes are in the top third area. Okay, let me save it. And then this one, let me adjust the lighting a little bit, and then the highlight, save. And we can update the contrast. So let me leave it -0. Okay, so next one. Okay, so save it, save 4:5 crop. Okay, so save it. And then the next one, 4:5 crop, and then exposure, reduce exposure a little bit more. So that's before and after. And then the last set was the mirror set. Let me get the same style in here. Contrast, we can add the base first, and then U3, and then the HSL, and then increase the light a little bit more. Okay, so cropping 4:5 a little bit closer. Okay, so and then I'm gonna give the similar style to the next set of photos. And then I'm just gonna add a couple one just for the continuous purpose, but the next couple one is gonna be the same process. So I'm gonna just edit maybe 2 more, and I will post some on Instagram later. And so since we are already at the 15-minute mark, so that's it, and I will edit this one once I finish the recording. And stay tuned for more video coming up, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.